When starting a new design in automet, you'll be asked to input your start and end flanges. Add the initial flanges by double-clicking the large space on the right, or by clicking the 3 dots under flange defaults. The flange specification dialog box will appear. The filters help to narrow down the flange selection. When no filters are selected, then all flanges in the database are in the list. Using the drop-downs, select the specification, type, rating or schedule, and size. When you see your desired flange, select it and click Confirm. You'll see your flanges appear with no pipe between them. These are numbered 1 and 2, and all the other elements of the spool go in between these flanges. To change a flange type, double-click your flange in the schematic or isometric view. Here, select the 3 dots beside specification and change the flange details. Lastly, select Confirm. The flange specification dialog box can also be used to find a flange by a process of elimination. Reset the filter to show all flanges, then select the items you are sure about. In this case, we know we need 8 bolt holes and an outside diameter of 240 mm. This narrows the search to all flanges with these criteria. If you know the specification, in this case, as me, B16.5, then all flanges with this specification will be shown. Add pipe in between the flanges by double-clicking flange 1 and adding a value to the distance box.